Oh Deena, why are you so mean? Oh Deena, why are you? I feed you watermelon, but you just keep on yelling. Oh Deena, why are you?
Hey guys, it's Deena. So let's see what we got going on in the news this week.
Well, that ain't the kind of change I was expecting to see.
Somebody gave that nigga some bad advice.
Antichrist. Bomb on the down low. Michelle must be sick.
Well, good for him. He still has my vote. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'd still f him.
Get me Will Smith on the phone immediately. Hey, Will? When they gonna do something about these wages?
Politics. Hollywood for Ugmugs. Mrs. Newt Gringrich. Right here in her starring role when Mars attacks. Chris Brown and Rihanna back together? What's she jockeying for? The new Whitney? Hand this a pipe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey. Kimmy Cakes and Yeezy. Sound like a disease. Yeezy.
Ilf. I like to fuck. Ilf. I like to fuck. Ilf. I like to fuck. Ilf. Tanning Tatum is the shit.
Danny Jado.
I haven't even seen the movie, but I just know the posters are sexy.
This shit look like a bunch of gay dudes. He look like he jerking off their dick. They call this two-fisting. Ilf.
Christian Bale.
He's a European. He's a European. A skinny chicken head European.
This is the Christian Bale I actually like.
I think this nigga look like he gonna give you AIDS.
Ilf.
Olympic
edition.
London.
Just for you.
Michael Phelps, is he still Ilf?
Look at him real close.
Michael Phelps? That's the look of your Ilf time is up. Ilf him.
Ryan Lochte. Ilf him.
Ilf. But he a little cross-eyed too though. Why are they all something wrong with him? Is it the steroids?
Ilf. Look at that.
Wow, I don't even know what to say.
I can't even do that. I'd ilf any man that could do a whole split. No, not any man. Ilf him.
He's mounting.
Do a split on it. Crisscross on it. And backstroke on it.
Ilf. This how he gonna jump in the pussy.
Like woo, woo.
Ilf. Ooh, in honor of Black History Month, I want to show just how far we come in America. What is this here? That's good work if you can find. Nanny. Oh, is that Mammy? Mammy. Oh, excuse me. I meant Nanny. Because that's what we're calling them now these days.
Ochocinco, Chad, nigga. I feel you, nigga. You was doing the right thing. Holla at a plate. You know what I'm saying?
Hold up. Hold the up, buckwheat. What the is this? Huh? I know you ain't going to buy no condoms. We don't even use this. Buckwheat.
Paid for in food stamps.
Ain't got no metro.
Can't get on the train. But you know what I can do? I can buy some chicken wings. Cause I got them food stamps. Food stamps. You better go get your food stamps. You know them food stamps. EBT, not BET. Ain't got no cable or no TV, but I got them food stamps. Them food stamps. You better go get them food stamps. Them food stamps.
Where's my watermelon? Where's the watermelon you promised me?
I'm a diva. I'm a diva.
Wait, is this racist? I should not have bid it.